Hello everyone, welcome all to Physics with Astronautics. So in this video we will discuss about some previous year DUET physics question. 2021 DUET physics question. So let's begin. Here is the first question of this session, that is, a sphere of radius r carries a volume charge density rho is equal to kr, where k is a constant and r varies from 0 to caps r. The energy of the configuration in SI unit is given by, and the options are pi k square r to the power 7 whole divided by 7 epsilon naught k square r to the power 8 16 epsilon naught square k square r to the power 7 7 by 7 epsilon naught pi k square r to the power 8 by 16 epsilon naught. So let's see what will be its answer. So here is the sphere which has radius caps r, and this is the here we will calculate the electric field outside the sphere, and here we will calculate the electric field inside the sphere. Let outside the sphere Gaussian surface at a distance r is taken, and here inside the sphere at a with radius small r the Gaussian surface is taken. So outside the sphere, the electric field will be k r to the power 4 by 4 r square epsilon naught, and inside the sphere, the electric field will be E is equal to k r square by 4 epsilon naught. Again we are given that rho is proportional to kr. So the energy will be, we know the formula, that is epsilon naught by 2 integration 0 to r E inside square dv plus integration r to infinity E outside square dv. So by putting all this value in this equation, we'll found that the total energy will be pi k square r to the power 7 whole divided by 7 epsilon naught. So the answer will be pi k square r to the power 7 by 7 epsilon naught. Then here is the second question, which is, a point charge q is embedded at the center of a sphere of linear dielectric material with susceptibility chi e and radius r. The electric field and polarization at a point are small than caps r in SI units, then would be. And the options are 1, 2, 3 and 4. And here the answer will be 1. Then here is the third question, that is, the linearly polarized electromagnetic wave E is equal to E naught exponential minus I k dot r minus omega t is traveling in vacuum. The root mean square value of the displacement current density for E naught is equal to 5.1 into 10 to the power minus 3 volt per meter at frequency omega is equal to 1 gigahertz each. And the options are 2 into 10 to the power minus 4 ampere per meter square, 2.8 into 10 to the power minus 4 ampere per meter square, 2 into 10 to the power 4 ampere per meter square, and 2.8 into 10 to the power 4 ampere per meter square. So here is the solution, that is, we are given E is equal to this much, that is E naught exponential minus I k dot r minus omega t, and we know that the displacement current will be d is equal to epsilon naught E. So by solving it, we'll get that d will be E naught epsilon naught cos omega t minus kr plus I sin omega t minus kr. And again we know that the displacement current density will be del d by del t. So by finding it, we'll get that J value is this much. And in the question it has been asking the RMS value of displacement current. So when I solve it, I do find it H0, but in the options there is no 0, so I don't know how will it solve, and I have no idea actually. So if anyone have, then please let me know in the comment section. Then here is the next question, which is, consider a sphere carrying electric polarization P is equal to 3 epsilon naught r square r cap where r denotes the radial distance from the center. The electric field inside the sphere is, and the options are E is equal to minus 4 r square r cap, E is equal to minus 3 r cube r cap, E is equal to minus 2 by 3 r square r cap, and E is equal to minus 4 by 3 r cube r cap. So here it has been given then polarization vector P is equal to 3 epsilon naught r square r cap. We know that the bound charge density is given as minus del dot P. So here because it is in r direction, so here we can write it as 1 by r square del by del r square 3 epsilon naught r square r cap. So by solving it we can found that the rho value will be minus 12 epsilon naught r cap, and the electric field inside the sphere is given as rho r by 3 epsilon naught. So by putting the value of rho here we can found that the answer will be minus 4 r square r cap. And the last question of this session is, let the electric field due to spherical distribution of charge be given by E is equal to E naught 1 minus 3 e to the power minus alpha r whole divided by r square r cap, where E naught and alpha are constants and r denotes the radial distance from the center of the sphere. The corresponding charge density would be minimum. And the options are r is equal to 2 by alpha, r is equal to 2 alpha by root 3, r equal to root 3 alpha, and r is equal to 1 by alpha. So let's see what will be its answer. In the question it has been given that E is equal to E naught 1 minus 3 e to the power minus alpha r whole divided by r square, and in the direction r cap. We know that del dot E is equal to rho by epsilon naught. So from here we can find that rho is equal to 3 alpha E naught epsilon naught e to the power minus alpha r whole divided by r square r cap. And the condition for minima is del rho by del r is equal to 0, and del square rho by del r square must be positive. So by solving it we can found that the r value will be minus 2 by alpha and 2 by alpha. So because del square rho by del r square must be positive, so the answer will be 2 by alpha. I hope you all enjoyed this session. So very soon we'll get come with the further question. So for more, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.